We'll guide you through how to make Sharpen CC Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight Motion on your device. Once it has finished loading, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set up the project settings according to your preference. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media. Browse through your files, select the footage that you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, press the plus button again and choose Rectangle to add a rectangle layer to the timeline. Once the rectangle has been added, press the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Stretch to Composition Area so the rectangle fills the entire composition. After the rectangle covers the full screen, select the rectangle layer and open the Effect Browser. Once the Effect Browser opens, search for Copy Background and add it to the rectangle layer. After applying the copied background effect, open the Effect Browser again, go to the Blur category and locate the Sharpen effect. Select the Sharpen effect and add it to the rectangle layer. Once the effect has been applied, open the Sharpen effect settings and adjust the sharpening values according to your preference until the result matches the appearance you want. After completing the Sharpen adjustments, open the Effect Browser again and return to the Blur category. This time, locate the Unsharpen Mask effect and add it to the same rectangle layer. Once the effect has been applied, adjust the Unsharpen Mask settings to make the sharpening effect appear smoother and more balanced. Continue changing the available settings until you are satisfied with the final appearance. After all of the adjustments have been completed, press the play button to preview the result and see how the sharpened color correction looks on your footage. If the result matches your preference, then the process is complete.